Hi there. Here we have the Xperia Arc, the Sony Ericsson. I don't really have any specs as it doesn't have it on the box, as you see. I have some. There it shows that it's got games, it's got a 4.2-inch screen, 3.5mm jack, and 8.1 megapixel camera, and it also records in HD. I think it's 720p or something like that. I'll just show you quickly the box and the packaging that's inside it. Here we have the beautiful phone, as we'll look at in a minute. It's in bubble wrap at the moment. Casing, obviously. That doesn't come with it, obviously that's something that we put in there. That's cool. These also came separately as well, but they're just some random ones that you can pick up off the market. Also some screen protectors, some booklets, I think they're user manuals and stuff like that, my first hour, and headphones, and usually they have a USB, but we don't have one. It didn't come with it. Right, let's have a look at the phone. There's a close-up. You've got the buttons. You've got the HDMI, I think that is. Power button, and oh no, the top is HDMI. That's HDMI right there. That's USB. Right, let's turn it on if we can. There we go. It's a nice looking phone. It's quite light as well. How thin it is. I think it's an 8 megapixel camera, so that's quite good. It's quite fast. See the menu buttons? Menu icons. It's quite fast as well. Look at that. It's really smooth. I've had phones that are really shoddy in the past. So a quick review on the Sony Ericsson Xperia Arc.